It will not be long before the Philippines becomes self-sufficient in rice. We'll have the full story from Aljo Bendijo.
Amid calamity struck the country recently, the Philippine Rice Research Institute reveals an increase of 92.5% in terms of rice efficiency, in which the Philippines has so far reached during the first quarter of the year 2012. With this development, PhilRice believes that the Philippines can positively achieve its target to harvest more than 11.5 metric tons on the fourth quarter, or 6.5 billion tons to 18 million metric tons, respectively, within the whole year of 2012.
Base sa projections ng ating Bureau of Agricultural Statistics ay aani pa tayo ngayong fourth quarter ng another 6.5 million metric tons. Sa makatuwid, yung target natin na maging 18 million metric tons ang ma-produce natin ngayong 2012 ay mukhang kaya naman nating abutin.
PhilRice also outlines its programs to add more benefits among rice farmers to increase efficiency and lowering rice cost production as a means to fight rice smuggling in the country.
Ang kalaban ng smuggling ay mababang ng bigas dito sa loob ng bansa. At yan ay mangyayari lamang kung ang ating mga farmers ay magiging more efficient sa kanilang production. Sapagkat pag pinababa mo ang presyo at ang cost of production ay mataas, ay malulugi naman ang ating mga farmer. Kaya ang programa ng PhilRice ay upang makatulong sa farmers na ma-increase yung kanilang efficiency, mapababa ang cost of production at mapataas ang ani, upang ang presyo ng locally produced rice ay mapababa natin at ma-discourage ang smuggling.
New hybrid rice varieties that can withstand different weather conditions will also be introduced among farmers to reduce the impact of losses brought about by typhoons and drought. This would also aim to further boost the comprehensive early plant program implemented by the Department of Agriculture, which advanced farmers' cropping calendar to April or May instead of June to avoid devastating storms that usually hit the country between September and October.
Ang ibang lugar na magiging tuyo, ang iba naman ay sobrang tubig. Kaya pinaghahandaan natin sa pamamagitan ng pag-develop ng rice varieties na naangkop dito sa mga ganitong kondisyon.
For the People's Television Network, Aljo Bendijo.